Huawei has launched two new smartphones in its Nova series, the Nova 13 and Nova 13 Pro. These latest smartphones run Huawei's Harmony OS 4.2 out of the box. Huawei's new Nova series devices pack a 120Hz OLED panel, 60-megapixel selfie camera, 5,000 mAh batteries, and more. Both smartphones are currently available for purchase in China. The world's first trifold smartphone maker, Huawei has refreshed its Nova series lineup with the launch of new Nova 13 and Nova 13 Pro smartphones in China. Appearance-wise, the brand's new mid-range smartphones come with a similar design as its predecessor, Nova 12 series. Huawei's Nova series smartphones usually launch globally, but this time around they are just limited to China. As usual, Huawei revealed all the specs of these smartphones except the chipset names. Both smartphones come with Huawei's in-house Harmony OS 4.2. And yes, you can install all the usual Android apps on both devices. The vanilla model, i.e. the Nova 13, has a 6.7-inch FHD Plus OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It also comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor. On the other hand, the Nova 13 Pro sports a slightly larger 6.76-inch LTPO OLED panel with an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate and 2276 by 1224 pixel resolution. Speaking of cameras, the Pro model ships with a triple camera array consisting of a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel telephoto lens with 3D zoom support, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide shooter. In comparison, the vanilla variant features only a dual rear camera setup, a 50-megapixel primary sensor paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. There is no telephoto lens for the base model. Both smartphones feature a same 60-megapixel front-facing selfie camera and a 5,000 mAh batteries with 100 watts fast charging support. A big difference is that the Pro variant has a IP65 rating for water and dust resistance, which the base variant lacks. The vanilla Nova 13 starts at CNY 2,699, roughly $380, while the Nova 13 Pro variant is priced at CNY 3,699, roughly $520. Both smartphones are now available for purchase in China at the moment. However, there's no word on international availability, but we can expect Huawei will announce its latest Nova 13 series devices to other markets soon.